app.component.css, and this is our app.component.html file. In here you will find that there is some code written with the script tag and some HTML codes written on our this file app.component.html file. I will start our new terminal using terminal, then new terminal, then inside this terminal I will also start our notepad so that I could tell you that what we will be seeing, looking at some things like how to code or how to generate or how to create and component, then what it is and how to start with our front-end project. Okay, so now I will just minimize this and let's first see what's this coded like. I will come to our terminal, then I will write this command, that is ng-serve space serve, and it's asking would you like to share pseudonymous usage data about the project. You can say yes also, you can set no also. So our global settings are being enabled and local settings are being disabled with effective status as disabled. It's generating our browser application using some bundles of Angular. It's in the setup phase and it's generating. It will take some time. It takes much time, I should say, because you will find that there are node_modules file that different and multiple applications or multiple files present in node_modules files. That's why it takes multiple time, most of the time, and it will take some more time. It's generating and building our project, and it's being loaded successfully with some initial chunk files like vendor.js, polyfills.js, style.css, style.js, main.js, runtime.js. These some files took more space while loading our project. This is our project, which always starts at localhost /4200. You can say localhost /4200 is the default URL site for Angular, and you will find this is the UI part of our Angular project. In the next steps, in the resources you will find how to learn Angular, then CLI documentation, Angular blog, Angular dev tools. In next steps, you will find different codes are being written to run a test. You will find ng test. Then for building production, you can write ng build. For creating our component, we will use ng generate component xyz. Instead of xyz, we will use a particular name, and that's why. These are some of the instructions to use Angular, and that's easy if you know the things. I will remove these things and will start with the code.